यहाँ पे नीचे लेके आना है concealer like this, bring it like this. So placing your blush can also like give your face a little bit of dimension. Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my everyday makeup. I did ask you in my previous video and many of you wanted me to share, and it's very simple. I just do like with very minimal products. And another thing, I wanted to keep it affordable also so that we all can enjoy the makeup together. That's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to share with you one trick also, which will like literally take hardly 1 or 2 minutes, but it will give you like this full coverage effect and will lift up your face also. So it's like face lifting kind of makeup that we're gonna do today. So let's start. Number one thing is that I have washed my face, I've taken bath, I've worn this shirt from H&M that I bought in sale. Too many details going on, but yeah. So after that, the thing is I have applied my skincare. So after that, I'm gonna apply sunscreen. I'm gonna apply the Aqualogica Glow Dewy sunscreen. This is SPF 50 PA++, and many of you were asking me to share with you kind of a sunscreen which will be hydrating, brightening, and which will give you the protection because it is something certified. So this sunscreen is really good that it brightens up your skin and does not give you that white cast you'll see for yourself. Like right now I've done like 2-finger rule, and you see that instantly it got absorbed and it does not feel at all like white cast and all. It gives you nice glow. So if you know me, you all know that I'm all about glow on my channel. I just love glowy things. I want my skin to be looking glowy, dewy, not matte. I hate that thing because as you start aging anyways, you want that glow to be there. So I have this bomb product here with me, which is from the brand Aqualogica. It is their Glow Juicy Dew Drops, and when you apply them, like let me just share with you, let me open up the box. Like I always keep it sambhal ke because I love the packaging that they have. It's very pretty. Ouch. Sambhal ke. And it is something that to be applied as a last step in your skincare before makeup, or you can you like just apply it on its own and leave it like that, because you will see when I'll apply it that it just gives you that instant glow. I'll just apply on one side of my face and we'll leave the other part of the face to see how this thing just transforms the face. So just going to take few drops of it like that on my hand. Dew drops are filled with vitamin C, which is ingredient for natural glow. It has papaya extract, a gentle exfoliant. Papaya lightens spot and reduces skin tan. Can you see this side looks more glossy and the finish is very dewy as compared to the other side. As you can see here, it adds the glow and glossy finish to the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid for oh so plump look, and it has vitamin E, a moisturizing antioxidant. Vitamin E boosts the effects of vitamin C. It's vegan, cruelty free and clean, free from parabens, sulfates and mineral oil. Use the code Rachna20 for 20% off on aqualogica.in. My code is applicable only on their website. The products are also available on Amazon and Nykaa. I have my makeup pouch here, though it looks big, but I still use only few products from this, and as I promised that I'm gonna share with you very affordable and simple skincare because itni aadat ho chuki hai skincare ki makeup routine. So number one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this concealer. I'm gonna teach you this trick which works like magic and it lifts up your face. So what you have to do, take this one has a nozzle. If you don't have that one, you have that stick wala, you can use that. So what you have to do, start from here, yahan pe niche leke aana hai concealer like this, bring it like this, then like this, and then you take it up towards like this, and then thoda idhar se upar, thoda idhar, and in fact like that. Can you see that drawing that I have done? So once I've done it with hand, I love doing it with brush because that way it gives me more control. The look is more natural. So I love blending it with the help of a brush. That's what I do. So I'll just blend it in. I have another hack where you can apply the concealer like this, take it up towards like this, like don't have to apply like fully, little bit apply it up towards like as I'm doing here. So everything has to be in uplifting way, and then blend it up, taking everything up like this, then again around the cheek area up. So basically you have to make sure that you are taking your concealer or your foundation always upward towards the temple area. After that, I'm gonna set it up. You can use any kind of powder. You can use Maybelline setting powder. I just forgot to bring it right now. That is also very affordable. So you can use that. Use any setting powder. Like you should set your concealer with some kind of powder for sure. So that's what I'm doing here quickly. You should always look for multitasking वाला product. एक ही चीज़ है ना, सारी चीज़ें हो जाए. So that kind of thing you can do. I love this Essence brow gel. This is brown color brow gel. So I use it like multi ways. I'm gonna show you how. Just tap off the excess. Like you don't want your brows to be looking like clown. So थोड़ा सा लेंगे, and then work it upwards like this onto your brow like that. And don't worry अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी लग गया तो wait for it to dry and then you can remove it with your finger. It just tames your brows. It's such a multitasking product. I'll show you like what else do I do with this. I curl my lashes every day. Like sometimes I feel lazy, sometimes I do, and then I'll use the same brow gel in brown as mascara. Oh, I always poke my eyes with that, but it gives very natural finish and doesn't look like your black mascara looks very like too much in the face, but this one looks very natural. This lipstick pack is really worth your money. Like they have so many different curations like reds, maroons, peaches, nudes. I got this red wala. So they have 3 lipsticks basically from the brand Mars that I'm talking about. So today I'm thinking let's apply this one. So placing your blush can also like give your face a little bit of dimension in a way. Like if you're someone with very full face and lot of full cheeks, you should place your blush like around this area. But if you are someone with lesser cheeks, you should place them like here in the center. Then if you like, you take it up like that so that like it gives you fuller cheek thing. And sometimes I love applying it on my nose also, like this I'll do. On the lids I'll apply. Just adds the warmth to the lids and doesn't make it look very that washed out as because of the concealer that we applied. And then obviously I'll apply the same color on my lips. I don't like applying like lipstick during the daytime. I like to apply it as a tint kind of thing. So I'll just apply a little bit like this and go over it with my fingers. The liner, because as you start aging, I would say don't go for the black liners, go for brown ones. So this is my easy everyday makeup that I do, and very easy to recreate, also very affordable products also. I hope you like it. What do you feel about this look? Do let me know in the comment box. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.